Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the dual network. Subscribe this channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. We need to draw the dual network for the network shown in the diagram. So first we need to identify how many loops are available. Loop is nothing but a closed path. So this is the loop 1. The current is flowing through the voltage source, inductor and resistor, one loop. This is the another loop. Current is flowing through the capacitor and these two resistors. So there are two loops are available. So the step 1 is we need to put the dot in the each and every loop. Now we'll refer the another diagram having the dots. So the two loops are available. This is loop 1, loop 2. Step 1 is put the dot in each and every loop. So here one dot is placed and numbered as 1. Here one more dot is placed, numbered as 2. So this is refers the first loop dot 1, second loop dot 2. And one more dot is placed outside the network. This number as 0. This is called a reference node. Right? So number 1, 2, 0. 3 dots are available. These two dots based on the number of loop. One dot is the reference node. Now we need to connect all the dots. All the dots are connected through the element, circuit element. First we will connect the dot 1 and 2 through this resistor. So the 1 and 2 is connected through the resistor. So this 3 ohm resistor will be converted into 3 more conductance. So between 1 and 2, 3 ohm resistor will be converted into 3 more conductance. Right. Now we'll see the 2 and 0. 2 and 0, two elements are available. First 2 and 0 is connected through the 6 ohm resistor. This 6 ohm resistor will be converted into 6 more conductance between 2 and 0. Between 2 and 0, one more element is a capacitor. So between 2 and 0, this dotted lines connected through the capacitor. So this capacitor will convert it into inductor. 5 farad capacitor will convert into 5 Henry inductor between 2 and 0. So between 2 and 0, two elements are available. 6 ohm resistor converted into 6 more conductance. 5 farad capacitor converted into 5 Henry inductance. Now we'll see the 1 and 0. In 1 and 0 also two elements available. One is inductor, another one is the voltage source. First we will connect the 1 and 0 through the voltage source. So that this 20 voltage will be converted into 20 ampere between 1 and 0. See the current direction. The current is flowing as a clockwise direction. So the current is flowing from negative terminal to positive terminal. That is called a rise in potential. So the current also going upward direction. Suppose the current is flowing from plus to minus means fall in potential. So current will go downward direction in current source. But in now the current is flowing from negative terminal to positive. So the rise in potential, so that voltage source also going in a upward direction. And now we'll connect the 1 and 0 through this inductor. So that this 10 Henry inductor will be converted into 10 farad capacitor. So this 10 Henry inductor converted into 10 farad capacitor between 1 and 2. And also the voltage source converted into current source. Now all the elements are converted. Now we can draw the dual network. So point was dot 1, dot 2 and dot 3, dot 0 are available. Then how to draw the dual network? We have to put the dots in a plain paper. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots are placed. Now we can connect the dots. Between 1 and 2, 3 more conductance is available. Between 1 and 0, two elements available. One is current source, 20 ampere. Is rise in current. The current is going upward because of rise in voltage. So the current also going upward direction. And one more element, 10 farad capacitor. Between 2 and 0, two elements available. One is 6 more conductance. Another one 5 Henry inductance. Right? So here voltage source converted into current source. Resistor converted into conductance. Capacitor converted into inductor. Inductor converted into capacitor. If it is connected in series means connected in parallel. 3 more resistor connected in across, now connected in series. These are all connected in series, now connected in parallel. So this is the dual network for the given original network. So subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.